Well, just ahead of a weekend with a lot of events taking place, another jump in positive coronavirus cases here in Ohio. More than 9,000 cases have been reported within the last 24 hours. There's also been 261 Ohioans hospitalized, so now more than 3,000 people are in the hospital being treated for COVID-19. Well, just tonight, the Cuyahoga County Common Pleas Court issued a mandate that all attorneys must be fully vaccinated no later than October 15th. Of course, this is all coming on the heels of President Biden's announcement about new federal mandates requiring vaccines, and reaction is pouring in. Will Ewick explores what's next.
We're playing for real here. This isn't a game.
President Biden today defending his sweeping new vaccine requirements affecting as many as 100 million Americans, from healthcare staff to federal workers and contractors and employees at private companies with more than 100 workers.
I think the president made a mistake.
Republican leaders like Ohio Governor Mike DeWine unleashing a wave of criticism, accusing the president of unlawful overreach.
I don't think we should be in a position where the state or the federal government is compelling people to be vaccinated.
While Governor DeWine stopped short of threatening a lawsuit, some GOP governors are. To that, President Biden fiercely pushed back.
So cavalier with the health of these kids. So cavalier with the health of their communities.
Meanwhile, Cleveland businesses wait to see how these orders are worded, but many
We do require full vaccination.
are already mostly compliant.
We're going to continue to require full vaccination for all of our staff who choose to come into our office.
As companies wait to see the context of this order, they have an understanding of how it applies to those coming into work, but are waiting to get some guidance on how it applies to those still working from home.
We're looking forward to having the chance to review some of the requirements around that to see if it, might potentially change anything that we choose to do going forward.
But all things considered, as they wait, Forrester says, as an HR person, she welcomes as much clear guidance as she can get.
One of the really challenging things about being in this role through the pandemic is that it hasn't always been very clear and there hasn't always been a ton of guidance. So I will take all of the guidance and all of the recommendations from trusted federal sources that we can possibly get.
Will Ewick, 3 News.